Give me under a minute, I'll help you delete your fear of rejection. I used to think rejection meant failure. But it doesn't. It means you had the courage to try. Rejection isn't the end. It's a sign that you are growing. Every no brings you one step closer to a yes. You don't get chosen without first being overlooked. You get rejected, you learn, and you rise again. That's not rejection, that's redirection. Fear. It's just false evidence appearing real. We fear things that haven't even happened yet. If rejection scares you, staying stuck should scare you more. You never grow when life is easy. Growth happens when you face what scares you and still show up. That's where real change begins.